This is the elevator at Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This originally drove a Marshall Oildraulic Impulse, but due to the DMC obsolescence thing, got modernized by Headrick with PTL Performer. Oh, that's a quick opening. It's an elevator style security camera that's a bit weird. Got the floor, here you go up. Is it Modernized? Yes, it is. You have 4. I found the 1. My chime now didn't look like it's a basic laminate Dover cab with a blue carpet. This car 2 passenger because I think there's like a freight elevator or something in here as well. Seems like it's on some sort of GL linear. Right. I never rode this one as original, but I'm sure it's just basic impulse. As close as the nuts can be at.